is a good morning. It's a good morning. Give me an audio check if you can hear me. And also welcome to my live trading London session. And we're going to first to go now. This is of today, and you can see yesterday we had FOMC and also CPD in the London, but FOMC, that was the high impact news, so traders are waiting for that news. So today and tomorrow, or today after London, or today New York, either London and New York, we're expecting much volatility, but as traders we're gonna sit and read the market and see what the market gives us today. That is the economic calendar. I've already shown you. We have the euro and the GBP at 315 and 430. I'm going to see all those currencies. I'm going to analyze the both euro and the fiber and cable. This will also impact news in the London, in the New York session. Minute of Federal Open Market. The manager turned first to an overview of the market development during the intermeeting period. The conflict in the Middle East had continued to be a key factor driving asset price movement. Equity prices had more than reversed there earlier, while 2-year 10-year nothing much. Now let's go back to our charts. In the I'm going to give you like I'll back after 5 minutes, so that if you can see anything and any market want, write it in the chat box, so that I can review a specific market, so that you can review your specific markets. But I'll be back after less than here at around 2:04. I'll come here at 2:09 and tell you what price is doing. I'm going to analyze it from the monthly dropping down to the 1 minute, from monthly dropping down to the 1 minute. Yeah, here. Now let's drop down. These are one of the days that I'm going to record those very long streams. The streams I'm going to be very long because we're gonna read the price the whole day. Give me an audio check if you can hear me. Now I'm going to start now. My higher time frame analysis is bullish. Those higher time frame analysis. Why? Because I've mentioned a lot of times. I expect this. See this low. This specific low on 3rd of November. Okay, let's mark it even the euro. In the monthly, specific low in the monthly. This specifically in the monthly in the euro, and the DXY. Yeah, I already marked it in the DXY. See that low? Let me just make the DXY has a lot of writings. That specific low, the specific high, that you see that SMT price in the had already that in the DXY price ran those buy stops on 2nd of March, that monthly candle. That's also same monthly candle in the GBSD. So GBSD is so bullish, huh? So yeah, we're bullish, dripping down to the euro. Also it has swept it in the same month. Now let's go back, let's go down to the weekly. See in the weekly, order block price came higher to that, then that was bullish on a bullish order block, then bearish order block. That was the rejection of lower, the rejection lower of the previous week. That is the reason why it fell down. It went down. Don't forget to give me an audio check if you can hear me. I think I'm clear now. Bullish, bearish, dropping down to the daily. This price action is so tricky. It may be a bullish also today. See price there. The daily, we have a fair value gap here. No price, you see that price action. You see that was the previous week. Price came to that fair value gap in the 2020, no, 19, yeah. Price was inside those fair value gap. Then price started to rally up higher. There's a swing low here, there's a swing high here. Yesterday, price, not yesterday, yesterday price came and swept those hourly highs. Let me just delete this, not hourly, let me just delete these hourly highs. Not hourly highs, but I mean, price came and swept this previous day high. This was a Monday high. That swing I created on Monday and Tuesday. Price came and swept it there inside that fair value gap. So you might be expecting bearish prices maybe of today attacking this sales liquidity. But our hard time frame analysis, the bullish. You see price close that fair value gap now. Keeps on rallying higher. In the 4 hour, this is why I want to always consider the discount, the premium discount premium. Yeah. Also in the weekly, I've seen how I've done those bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks. Yeah, I think I'm still clear. Let's continue now. Price has swept those bearish order block. Price has swept that bearish, that bullish swing high on Wednesday. That might also be the high of the week, maybe, because the weekly profiles usually say that. Dropping down. Now price has touched premium, right? See also this inside the fair value gap in the daily, also swing high daily. So those are premium arrays. Also is in the 4 hour fair value gap. And use another color so that I'm not sure about it. And the price touched it. Yes. See price has touched it. Now that's a 4 hour premium array. Now we're going to look for discount arrays here. This sells liquidity, because yesterday that was maybe Wednesday marked the high of the week. Now we want to see maybe these sales liquidity being taken out, these and these. Let's watch and see what price does. The hourly, we can see if I have an SMT 21 high. Now There is a market structure shift in the 1 minute that I'm eyeing on. You see also this is an order block in the hourly, right? This is another block in the hourly. Yeah, might be. The hourly. This other block in the hourly, maybe. You want to look for lower prices. Last down close candle. The 15 minute, I think we'll have something in the 15 minute. The 15 minutes. Yeah, in that favor gap in the 15 minute, I see it nicely. Now this will want to press your sell. You see there. Let's delete that favor gap. You see it. That is the 15 minute favor gap price at it above the midnight open. Now we're looking for sales. There is a market structure shift in the 1 minute. That 5 minute favor gap, okay. If you're going down, oh, this is the first thing I want to see being taken out. You see that reaction, taking out a sell side instead of filling travel gap. Maybe you'll want to press a sell. At the same time, it has done what in the 1 minute. So done market structure shift. If it comes to that fair value gap, I'll want to press myself. If it only comes inside that fair value gap. If it doesn't, I'll not be interested. And put my stop loss here. That will be my first entry. If it comes inside the fair value gap, that will be my first entry. If it doesn't, not interested. Still early in the session, but we are also in the above the midnight open. So any entries buying, I'll put a stop loss here. See that? It's a 3 pip stop loss. The 4 pip. If it comes inside that fair value gap, I'll only look for. If it only comes to that inside that 1 minute fair value gap. If it doesn't, I'll not be interested. The first retracement of fair value gap, that's when I want to enter. See also in the 5 minute. This is a fair value gap, but I will want price to disrespect that. If we are really going to be, somebody is going to be bullish or bearish, or I mean bearish. See those market structure shift. Now any retracement of fair value gap, my entry. It has declined, it has not come to my fair value gap, so no entry. That was not a valid entry. Give me an audio check if you can hear me. Price didn't come to that 1 minute fair value gap nicely, but it disrespected it. But in the 15 minute, let's wait for a stop run. If price does a stop run, if price comes and sweeps this liquidity here, yeah, that liquidity. This is also a fair value gap in there. Yeah, the same liquidity here. It's also an hourly high. So price might come, sweeps it, then, or it might be a bullish scenario, but we're looking for bearish. But now let's see this price was inside the hourly fair value gap. You see that? That's that hourly fair value gap. No. I'm not going to buy. See, that price came to that high. This price discount array, now looking for premium. Now I want to see if we're going to go up. Price want to go up to this, but I'm not sure. But I still want to see more insight. But I'm bearish for this session because as for now, price is above the minute opening price. And now looking for buys, no. I'll concentrate on sales. Checking the 1 minute in the GBP USD. If we can see something like a 5 minute high, maybe doing that. But doing a high buying now, I still have no more insights of buying. Check maybe the euro. It came inside that fair value gap in the 5 minute, in the 4 hour. What happened in the deal? Maybe a bullish scenario. The 4 hour, if it has come to that fair value gap discount, then looking for these highs probably. Let's see if that's true. Nope. I'm not interested in going long. Want more insights? Still no insight. I'm not going to drop down to those small techniques, but I want to see price doing something. In the euro, let me mark this low in the euro. You might be expecting price. If you're going to go buy, if you're going to be buying below the middle level price, this hourly 0 candle price maybe creates a swing low, then sweeps it, then continue going up higher. But after price has swept these, if you're going down, this is the order block that I want to see price. This last up close candle went down for price to maybe continue to this also. But I want to see price coming down. The euro is not clear in the GBP USD. SMT 21, high, low, on the reversal. In the 15 minutes, see that's an inversion favorable gap. That's an inversion favorable gap in the 15 minutes. Let's wait for another 1 minute, 15 seconds for price in this to create a swing high, a swing low. Maybe we'll see a market structure shift, but as for now, this is a swing low. If price creates one and rally up higher, then I'm generally looking for sales, like for the weekly reversal kind of thing. Yeah, the weekly reversal. It's on Thursday. In the daily, you see in the daily, price has swept that high, swing high. Now maybe a weekly, that in the Wednesday, that may be the high of the week, because these weekly profile usually repeat. Now we'll see price has that high, then boom, decline down. We now start declining down to the sell side liquidity, up to here, maybe price gets that bullish or bearish scenario. So also this weekly order block that I marked here, this weekly order block, the same inside it was also a daily inversion fair value gap. See how they align, turn down. You see there in the 5 minutes, that swing high has been created. That swing low, this swing low has been created. Now that may be used as a market structure shift, this specifically, maybe. But after I want to see a stop run in the 15 minutes. That's an inversion fair value gap. The same here is also, let's see if you want to go back up high and take that sell side liquidity, but here it's inside that 20.5 Wednesday candlestick in the 5 minutes. Price is inside it, that 5 minute fair value gap. But let's see if price will disrespect it and maybe take out a swing high, then rally down. Let me mark this swing high in the 5 minutes. See what price does. We're also above the midnight opening price, so I'm really just going to look for sales. If only price comes below here, maybe take out these, make a structure shift, maybe go up. But as for now, look for interest to go short, because if it's a long, I'll not be interested in participating in one today, because it's a my analysis are usually more than correct. This one is perfect. Any market, anybody who wants me to analyze any market, I'm also going to drop a video today. I've scheduled like, I have like 7 or so videos to do. Like I have them already. I want to schedule them and release them one by one. Another thing is that I'm going to create a high valued video explaining who am I in the trading sector. so that when you see me live, now you'll see what I've done. And you know what I trade. Let's keep on watching price and see what happens. I'll be on through all the session. Some part of the live will be silent. I'll just write silent mode in the chat, and so that if anybody comes and find the live silent, we will be watching price, but I'll be in front of the chat, not away. I'm going to be in front of the chat. Probably until today at 12 close, but I'm going to end the live Eastern time, and probably come during the day, because let me tell you why also. Another reason is this economic calendar. Yes, we have these medium impact news, but this is the economic calendar, and they're saying Bank of England government policy speaks at 11 Eastern time, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Sometimes I usually say that might be something that signifies some potential, telling us that during the New York is when we're going to have liquidity. But we'll watch and see what price does. Maybe price is telling us that during the New York is when I'll want to move due to that high impact news. But that's just my instinct. But let's watch the whole session and not rely on our instincts. If I see price down, you see that price also inside that fair value gap here. Price was inside the fair value gap in there 5 minutes. And also I've also marked this as an inversion fair value gap. In the 1 minute, and is the price clearing this. If it clears this sell side liquidity, if it clears it with a more structure shift, like if it clears this sell side liquidity, it will obviously be a market structure shift. If it does a market structure shift and it does it in this 5 minute with a fair value gap, I'll want to enter a position sell. Let's watch it. This is the GBP USD. I look for market structure shift. If it doesn't happen, still no entry, but market structure shift with a fair value gap in the 1 minute, I'll possibly enter another last position for the day. I have 3 chances for today. Any market that you're watching that you feel you should kind of look off with it, like we look at it kindly, feel free to text it in the live box. Let's wait and see if price will do that. Market structure shift, and if it does it, the fair value gap, I'll enter position there. But if it doesn't, I'll still not be interested. Market structure shift done, but let's wait for if price will come inside that fair value gap nicely. But also we have a fair value gap in the 5 minute that I'm also waiting for price to do it. The market structure I was waiting for, let's see if price will close with a fair value gap and probably give us an entry. Fair value gap. No fair value gap. It's 3 minutes. Wait for the next 3 minutes and see what price will actually do. This order block. See this? If price comes into that fair value, but I don't want to see price coming above this order block. Let's wait. How price is acting. The 3 minute, still waiting. How many pips are these? I hope it's less than 10 pips. Yeah, it's actually less than 10. You wanna lose $10? Who wants to lose $10? You're welcome to lose $10 with me. You are highly welcome to lose $10 with me. When you open a 0.1 who wants to lose that $10 with me? You're welcome to lose the $10 with me. Yeah, that's a clear market structure shift in the 5 minutes. Now to see price riding up higher, and let's watch it. Any entry to a fair value gap might be of interest. Also this order block here. See this another block. Don't disrespect. Okay, price can disrespect this, but I am not comfortable. This another block. Price can come up here, rally up high here. It has already created a fair value gap in the 5 minutes. Those are good signs. Now that's a good entry, and putting a stop loss below in this high. See this high. The price can actually come up to this fair value gap. It's fine. This analysis if price meet come up to market strategy in the 5 minute. This is a fair value gap. I want to see price coming up to the fair value gap there nicely. Now that's where I want to enter a sell if it comes inside that fair value gap. If it disrespects it, the odds now start to drop. I don't want to see price coming up higher here. This is 134,370. $375. Price starts that fair value gap in the 5 minute. Let's see if price disrespects it, but that will be the best entry. Yeah, and this will be the best entry at 247. That will be the best entry as for me. Then price starts to decline now lower like nobody's business. If you are convinced that this is a buy, good luck, but I am convinced that we're probably going to be selling like nobody's business in the next minutes. Yeah, let's wait and see what price does in the next 1 hour or two. Sit back and enjoy and see how price does the magic. XAU USD. Here we use capital.com. Is gold doing the same thing? Selling, because there's a fair value gap here. Let's mark this. Jump to the 1 minute direct. Are you insane? Yeah, price is price. Gold is wanna kill you, boy. The same fair value gap, the same 1 minute fair value gap is also the same. Let me see. Yeah. It's also the same fair value gap in the 5 minute. Dropping down to the hourly. The hourly is a fair value gap. But this fair value gap has already been reached. This price came and touched that order block. Price is not closing. Let's move higher. See, that's it's inside a fair value gap in there. A high time frame fair value gap and hourly fair value gap. Also inside that 15 minute, the 4 hour fair value gap. If you're trading gold, you should be aware of what TXY is doing. TXY going up higher. Is that the profile you're expecting? $17.11. This is actually a consolidating price. Our first entry, I've already told you. Let's see if price will take our $10, risking enter the position of 0.15, and let's watch it. My take on gold is just maybe we're rallying to this sell side liquidity. I'm not going to say I'm sure, but I don't trade this type of commodity. But what I want to see, let's see if we'll see later times when prices maybe this is where that fair value gap, then come to this, because you can see here this is an inversion fair value gap in the hourly. See that inversion? price touched it. Also expecting lower prices to this. So price touched it nicely, and so it was taking out a sell side liquidity there. I'm gonna watch it. Maybe going to take even back to this. She'll touch these lows. Let's see if price touches these lows. Now start validating price. Maybe we'll come back to go down to this sell side liquidity. But let's watch it. I'm not sure. As you can see also in the 1 minute. Present that family gap now, like just respecting those PDRAs, the premium PDRAs. Now see from this, one job at price is coming to clear this. Yeah. Now watch and see. That's my analysis. If it's wrong, I'll probably also be wrong. I'm expecting bullish price in the dollar and bearish in the DXY, but if we are wrong, yeah, price has come to our entry. It's going to probably take us out, but these are my stop losses. Let me use the and just disrespected that fair value gap. We may want to sit on our hands. Remaining with one chance. Stop close to this high. Waiting for more insight. Price has disrespected that, and our stop loss is here. Let's wait and see. Okay, price obviously come and take us out, but When we risk a small amount of our account, we'll just be patient. No entry again. If it reaches the next 1 hour, if it reaches 4:30, you are ending the live. Let's say like 1 hour 30 minutes from now, we will be ending the live. But we'll wait for the New York session. I want to see price come to below this, above this, it takes them out. It can be taking it out, then we see a market structure shift. But if it doesn't, think of this sell side liquidity, the TXY. Bullishness, yeah. Sell side attacking this buy side liquidities. Smooth highs. If you are bullish, but I'm not yet convinced. Yeah, I believe it open. You consider that with the no. You know what? I am not buying. I'm seeing this a 50-minute high has been created here. If price takes out that high with a market structure shift in the 5-minute, that's when I'll be buying. If it takes out that 15-minute high, it will also be a 50-minute high. See it? If it takes it out with the market structure shift, I'll sell it. But buying in this, I'll not be buying. I'm only looking for sells, shorts. Let's watch and see what price does. Yeah, gold is actually dropping. How I actually told you, see it going to the sell side. Yeah, it's crazy. The DXY is the one now. 5 minutes. Expecting a bullish DXY, then a bearish other currencies. Look for a potential SMT. 215, 3. High at 215. What's the high at 215 saying? It's nowhere near it. If you're really bullish, I'll not enter another trade until New York. Oh. See this price action. I ain't entering anything. I'll just wait for. I'll wait for New York. You see how it's consolidating? Yeah. Just wait for my sweet New York and sit on my hands. We had one losing. We have had a losing trade. Now I want to sit on my hands. See, I told you about the economic calendar, that this news that they have put here at 10, at 11, it might be a signature that yeah, we are on during the New York session. And yeah, this is not a price action that I'll be comfortable in it. Maybe when you come here at exactly exactly 7, because yes, you expected liquidity. Now, mm, yeah, I'll actually leave this live running and I'll probably engage the chat box. Another thing, I am going to wait for New York session and I'm not going to press it hard in this London session. If price wants to move, I'm comfortable for it to move without me this London session, but coming New York, we have a lot of possibilities. You see how I I told you that my incident telling me, yeah, you will probably not come at London because this red folder here signifies that, yeah, it is coming at London. But also we are expecting news. You see this news here. This news I told you that, yeah, this is actually telling us that come during the London session or the New York session early. But we're gonna see, and we're gonna wait and see what price does for us. Oh, who messed with the dogs? Yep, told you. Expecting lower prices. At 315, the euro and the news, the euro, yeah, you see it. Euro guys and news. And the euro USD was the best entry. In fact, euro USD, we were actually not there, but we can continue the sell off. But this was the sell off. Price will continue going down, down, down. It's actually going to go through these sales allocation. Now what's happening the XAUUSD. It's actually consolidating, but it has come and touched that. That's a massive sell-off. So I told you earlier, expecting bullish prices. Bearish, I mean. I was just bearish, bearish, bearish. So it. Yeah, I hear you. That's actually really good if you have the account. That's great. $5 per trade, that's nice. That's proper risk management. Actually excellent. And yeah, let's continue seeing that continuing sell-off. If I perish, I perish. Now, what we anticipate is price going down to those sell side liquidity. Let's see it. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Let's see what price does, and give me 1 minute, I'll be back. It's 1 hour 20 minutes since we just here. Give me a minute, I'll be back. Let's put it in the 1 minute time frame and see what price does. Let's continue. How many pips are these? Price just went around 30, 17. Nice. Declined massively. Let's watch what price does and keep enjoying. My instincts were right. Bullishness not for me today. Watch it there. It might actually reverse to a favor, but let's watch it. Watch price. Watch the price. Watch the price. I'll be back in a few, but keep on watching what price does. We're actually bearish. I am back. Just went to do a little stretch. See, price there was just that fair value gap in the 15-minute. Don't be fooled by this run on sales and liquidity. See this inside the 4-hour fair value gap. A 4-hour, yeah. Inside the 4-hour fair value gap. It was taking out to buy sell side liquidity in the early time frame. It has touched that for 15-minute fair value gap. It's not probably going to be. It's probably going to be a buy if we see a market structure shift. See, it has touched liquidity there. A lot of liquidity, probably a lot of liquidity zones, I mean. This price might want to see this sell-off might be a trap. We don't take something off this sell-off might be a trap because it has touched higher time frame liquidities. It's going to be a continuing sell-off. Not sure of that, but let's watch. If it was supposed to go higher, this order block, this 5-minute order. Oh. Wait a minute. XAUUSD. Yep, gold is actually doing what it's supposed to do. Like, when I told you I'm expecting those sales to be taken out, same to price to come down there. Price has just done exactly. See, price is price. See that continue selling these liquidity, the blue lines. I marked them beforehand. Now price is respecting them. Price is going to those liquidities. Has gone to where it was supposed to go. See this rally up here, but we did a swing, then price dumps now down, goes down like, then that will send bullishness on this currency pair. But let's watch it. If price comes here above this, look, it's going to do it in the next 2 or 3 candlesticks. If price comes above there, now we'll start validating that we are rolling the wrong side. If you are still going to see where I told you to enter there, price not come and stop us out here. Price not come and stop us out here. If price takes out this high, I don't know what will be that. But you've seen prices moved around 20 pips to a direction, but I still want more decline, but we'll see until 5. See how priced. So it means our entries are not correct, but our directional bias is correct. You see, price didn't come in, take out that high. See it, then boom, decline. So our entry were not correct. Our entries were not correct, but our directional bias was correct. That was don't forget to like, I think it's probably 1 to reverse from now, but Hannah, not interested in it. See, this consolidation might now be trapping traders who now are entering here. If price reverse out, like all of them, leave no one. Price is making higher highs. Another GBP, JPY. That's the entry now selling. GBP AUD, GBP AUD. Let me tell you one thing. I've realized the entries are trapped in the GBP USD. I'm now seeing something that last time took me out of a trade. Let me show you. Chasing that price lower, no. So price has stayed long without coming to this fair value gap in the 5 minute. It has not touched it. If it stays longer, still 4, price might actually be reversing completely. Yeah, price might actually be reversing completely. Like staying so long without coming to that 5 minute fair value gap. If it stays so long, I'm not even interested in looking at price. But you see here in the hourly, you check if we are bullish. The reason why these are taking place, you see in the hourly, price has done a sell side liquidity sweep in the exact hourly time frame. Now that sweep, nice sweeps. Now buyers will want to start rallying up higher. You hear? Yeah. Discount array in the hourly. Let's probably wait for the next 16 minutes and see what price does. But that, you see that order block? See your price distribution closing didn't use that order block. That one, or what is this? No, it was this. I disrespected it. We need a sweep. Yeah, it was a sweep, then price starts to rally up higher. Higher, but it's not giving us an entry. Let's see if it does this market structure shift in the 1 minute with a fair value gap. Now that's an entry. If it does it, that's an entry. Or is it going to? Inside a fair value gap in the 4 hour. Sell side liquidity swept in the 1 hour. You see this? Now price wants to rally to this high time frame analysis. See there in the 1 minute. Market structure shift. See that market structure shift in the 1 minute. Nice. Or is it giving us another entry here? But no. Which is the low risk, high reward. Less than 6 pips. Yeah, price comes inside that fair value gap. Will price decline? But let's watch. Another sell-off? No. It is above the midnight opening price. Sell. Like somebody selling a sell there, then decline lower. And this kind premium. I ain't convinced it's a sell. I'm not in any way convinced it's a sell, a continuation sell here, but price is here is above the midnight opening price. See it? Let's come and take another sell side liquidity, and it's also inside the fair value gap in the 50 minute, in the 4 I mean. This another entry, this another. This is one of the trickiest places. It's around the midnight opening price. We might be actually selling. Price might will be coming to that midnight opening price, then decline. But also, Yeah, more than 10 pips. It's 11. And price refused to come to this fair value but its correct time. It took like 15 minutes to do that. Now it's below it's above the European price inside the 55 minute 15 and 5 minute fair value gap. I think that's a stop run. This one probably thinking. See, this is a discount array. This is a sell side. If it will be bullish, this will be correct time to be bullish because price has swept an hourly. That order block is disrespected. If you will be buying, this will be correct time of buying. 349 bullish buy. See how price is around the midnight open. If you are buying below the midnight open, selling above the midnight open. So this is one of the trickiest places as a trader as for according to my strategy. But if price is supposed to go bullish, I probably think it will be there. Yeah. So maybe down to a 5 minute fair value gap that it's about to form. We are really going to be a buyer. See there. If price comes below, I'll not be interested. Put my stop loss here, then buy back to these highs. If you are like buying, and suppose is coming up, that was to full traders. Now it will just rally up higher to this buy side liquidity if it wants to go higher. See this? These, how many pips are these? Actually 36. Let me put a long entry there. Actually my second entry and my last one. The second and the last one. We're going to break it down. We have actually risked. This is 10 pips. We had a loss, but let's see if we can accumulate it. Then at our take profit is around 36 pips. Let's see and watch if price will do what is expected. If it doesn't, now that will be the last entry. If it doesn't, that will be the last entry. I'm not be interested in any position again. This, if it disrespects us, the last entry of the day, and we'll be done. Done. let me click and watch it. If price takes us out, let me do it in the 5-minute so that will be clear for you. If price takes us out, that's the buy side liquidity. Want to see price reaching to this buy side liquidity, this and this. If price takes us out, comes to a stop loss, that will be my end of trading, and I want to dedicate this trade to my prop. I want to blow it today and actually start a new journey with, I have a real account and I want to start a new journey with that trail. I don't want to continue with prop farm trading. I'm not saying that prop farm trading is bad, it's actually good. All I just need is to do it with the live. I have my personal reasons, and I'm going to share it with in my video that is upcoming, titled "Who Am I in Trading?" If price comes back to this low, I'll actually get out and stop trading for the day. But you see here, this price here, you see this? It's here above the midnight opening. Where we are wrong, it's here. See that inversion fair value? Do you think that price is sending it down? Maybe, but I don't want to see. If price comes below this, here is why I want to read price. If price comes below this entry, I'll now know that yeah, we are selling. That I am wrong. If price comes below it. If price comes below this, I know that I'm wrong, and probably we might want to dip down because we are above the middle opening price. The reason why I'm changing my biases each up and down is because we are around the midnight opening price. And at the beginning I was bullish, but here you see this is a good entry. But I have seen there are multiple things happening in the markets now. There is much liquidity now kicking in. See, this is an inversion fair value gap, but I want to see price rallying up, disrespecting this whole fair value gap. Yeah, that's what I'm anticipating, and also I'm anticipating this fair value gap not to be taken out, like not to be disrespected. Same to, if this price disrespect that fair value gap also and comes below this 1 minute time frame, remember, if price comes below this, I'll now know that I'm wrong. But you see, I told you to enter them, price came there. Now what I want to do is, if price comes below this, probably wrong, and yeah, call it a trading day and get out of the market, because this is my second entry and I don't want to participate in much trading today until New York session. I don't want to see his price respecting that, those fair value gaps, then keeps on trailing up higher. I don't want to see price coming below this certain 1 minute candle in the GBP USD. If price comes below it, we are probably wrong, but this, if you are right, I want to see price respecting it and keeps on trailing up higher to this liquidity, up to this liquidity. Prop farm trading is good. It actually gives you good capital. Yeah, massive capital. I have withdraw massive capitals in the prop farm, and it's a beneficial thing. But once you get your the good amount of capital you want each time, that when you trade, you want your money, not waiting for like 2 weeks. You're a profit or whatever, but there's some trade that will overrely your losses, your profits. Now let's watch that price. Input a line into there. See that? That's telltale signs that you are wrong now. Now what I'll do, I'll automatically end the live when price has stopped just out here. Then it's actually 4, and I don't want to be in price action. You see that news may actually be sending prices now lower again, because after 30 minutes from now we are expecting much lower prices. Maybe because we have a news at 4:30. You hear me? Yes. And see price going. If it goes to a stop loss, I'll end the live without talking and excuse myself. Wait for New York session for good entries, because this is not a good entry. This is actually ragged price action. Since price has moved a range of 20 pips, no. Now let's wait for if price to disrespect and take us out. If it takes us out, remember we caught this move here when I told you, yeah, this was our last bad entry. Our entry was bad, but our stop loss was here. Did you see price taking it out? No, it did it. You hear me moving a stop loss? No. Low stop loss? No. Price came there, took out something there. Then I told you, yeah, price is selling, but I'm not pretty sure that price will continue going lower. But price will continue going lower. It's 4. I don't want to participate in that upcoming high impact news event that is up in the next 30 minutes. Let's wait for price. This is what I'm expecting price to do. If it comes to a stop, I'll just end the live and wait for New York and wait for the other day and the next day. Keep watching. Enjoy. If price comes below here, live will end automatically. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. This is actually a good channel. We have actually got these pips here. See this when price was going there, I told you, yeah. Keep watching, enjoy the live. Is that price action just playing out nicely? You see that trap? I told you, yeah, going to sell, but this was a sell side liquidity taken out. Yeah, this probably price will now rally up higher to this buy side liquidity, but I want to see first price reach this 36 pip range of mine. Keep on watching price. I want to see price now starts to rally up higher to this. This by liquidity. Now let's watch price. If price hits also a take profit, trade ends automatically. Price hits our stop loss, price trade ends automatically. Price is playing out nicely. Actually hitting that 36 pip range. I want to see price coming there. Yep, just as stated. Oh, actually muted my mic. Now, when price was, when I told you that when price takes so long to come to this fair value gap. Remember when I told you price took so long to come to this fair value gap, this 5-minute value gap? I said that was a trap. That's a great trap. Now told you, see this is a trap. Don't be fooled that selling. Then I told you, yeah, price is below the median very price, a tricky place. But if you had experience, then boom, boom. You see, just catching you have to be a sniper. You don't have to think twice in these entries. Below the median price, buy, tang. Another session, buying. Then what did I say? What did I say? Price came there. Price start the liquidity. Price start the liquidity. Who's perfect? If you have the same account balance, and this GBP USD, you can't beat me. You can't. I'm just confidently telling you. Good entry. See what price comes here. I told you price will come here. Price is also coming here. Watch it. That's why I learned to take another exit here, another exit actually around here. But this is where I want to take another exit. But you see, price actually coming up higher to this liquidity, obviously. Watch it and see. You see that liquidity there? Prices actually. Possibility you can remove all your take profit there. Again, these were traders usually, those guru traders. See, that's a good liquidity point to take out something at around 14, even before the news. So it was being inside. These are good place to take an exit because these over 25 pips, I think. Giving you 25 pips out of nowhere. But I also give you an entry there. If price reverses, we have no any other thing to regret of, because I already told you price this is liquidity, this is the liquidity. Yep, and price has swept another. See, it has swept that hourly liquidity. You can remove something. You see, that was a fake out. You see, when you were there, it will inside the 4 5 gap. This liquidity, this price actually reach up to this upper high. These, you see, reading the market up and down. Who does that? Prices touch that hourly price liquidity, it can reverse, but our full take profit is here. You see what price does? I already told you to take out something. You don't have to chase price, and you see nicely. This precedent is enough for bread and butter. If it reverses, you have no problem, but you have seen price has touched that hourly buy side liquidity here to here. You see how price did it so fast? Yeah, now that might be actually the full trading range for today, but price is reversing. The next 10 minutes price will have a news. There will be news. There will be a high impact news, a medium impact news. So price will move, but as you saw, we have got that move, told you where to enter, told you everything, and boom, you might be done for the week. But a final thing, this was a reverse, but this price must reach here. One thing I know, price must reach there, but I'm not interested in taking part of it. We lost the first one there, then boom, if price is there, it's okay. I'm not going to be there until the 4:30 news. It will actually make price to go more higher. Not interested. I'm going to end the live, and you have also seen that we have read the market live real and told you beforehand. Here we got it there, here we also got it. This price can reverse, no problem. It has given us a good range. I've already told you, I've already shown you. How I did the market, you see. In fact, 30 or 26, 25 pips, that's good. It's not a bad range. Only if you were chasing the price to go higher, that's when you'll now be crying. But you saw there, I told you, I want to see prices. This favor, I don't want to see price come below here. And I don't want to see price come, yeah, I told you I don't want to see price come below here. I want to see price going higher. You heard it correctly. Saw me telling you I'm executing there. And another entry there, that failure that I mentioned. Boom, to this liquidity, nice. To this other 1, 2, 3 liquidity. That's enough. Price can continue going up high, but I'm not interested in taking any. I'll come back during the New York session for another final live for today. If you have any question, feel free to put it in the comment section. I'll read all of them. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and tell them there is a guy who is reading the markets here live data, only one specific currency, the cable market. What's happening in the euro? They're actually buying also there. I was not there to participate, but they usually go hand in hand, you see. Bullishness. 333. What is happening with the cable at 333? See, this price will continue running up higher. Watch price and see what price does. Feel free to tell me anything in the comment section. I'll just end the live here. Thank you for watching. You've seen how I've done it. 7 minutes to that impact news. I'm not going to there. Thank you very much. Adios, muchachos.